In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Coinbase safely in 2025. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but with the right steps, it can be straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive into it. Before we get started, a few things are essential to have in place. First, ensure that both your Binance and Coinbase accounts are verified. This means you've successfully completed the Know Your Customer, or KYC, process. It's also crucial that you already hold the cryptocurrency you want to transfer in your Binance account. Another key element is to have the correct receiving address from Coinbase and to know which blockchain network to use for the transfer. And let's not forget, be ready for any network fees. These are paid to the network's miners or validators, so they don't go to the exchanges. Let's kick things off with logging into your Coinbase account. Whether you're using the app or the website, head over to Wallet or Assets. Here, you'll choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive on Coinbase. It could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, or any other crypto you plan on transferring. Once you've chosen your crypto, click on Receive. Coinbase will then provide you with the wallet address and possibly a QR code for your chosen crypto. Make sure to note the network that Coinbase uses for this particular cryptocurrency. Some cryptos can operate on multiple networks, like ERC20 or the Binance Smart Chain. It's crucial to pick a network that is supported by Coinbase to avoid any mishaps. Now, we move over to Binance. Log into your account and navigate to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. Depending on your app version, it might also be called Spot Wallet or Wallet Overview. Locate the cryptocurrency you wish to send and click on Withdraw, or sometimes Send. Next, paste the Coinbase wallet address that you copied earlier into the address field on Binance. Select the appropriate network for the transfer, ensuring it matches exactly what Coinbase supports for that crypto. Sending funds on an unsupported network can result in the permanent loss of your funds, so double-check this critical step. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer. Before you proceed with the transfer, Binance will display the network transaction fee. Occasionally, you'll have a choice of networks, some with cheaper fees. However, only choose one that works with Coinbase. At this point, it's imperative to double-check everything. Confirm that the address, network, and amount are all correct. For security, Binance might require additional authentication steps. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication or another form of confirmation. Once that's done, submit the withdrawal request. You'll have to wait for the transaction to process on the blockchain. The time it takes can vary depending on network congestion. It might be mere minutes or, in some cases, hours. Through the Transaction ID, or TXID, you can often track the progress using a block explorer. Finally, head back to Coinbase. As soon as the transaction receives enough confirmations, your crypto will appear in your Coinbase wallet, reflected in your asset balance. And Coinbase might even